Welcome back to CADSTATION. This is lecture 5 of Matlab, and in this lecture we are going to cover this question number 10, and the question is two trigonometric identities are given by there are two trigonometric identities. Cos square x minus sin square x is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x, and the second is tangent x divided by sin x minus 2 tangent x is equals to 1 upon cos x minus 2. And for each part, verify that the identity is correct by calculating the values of the left and right sides of the equation, substituting x is equals to pi by 10. So that's mean we are going to solve in the radian, because the limit or the x, that is the angle, is given in pi by 10. So this is a trigonometric identity, or you can say that prove that question. So first, we know we have the x is equals to, this is pi by 10, and thus colon enter. Now we are going to solve it, the first part, that is cos square x minus sin square x. We have two sides, right hand side, this is draw, this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. First we will solve the left hand side. Let's see. Left hand side is cos square x, cos, or you can mention left hand side is equals to, we have cos x and square minus sin x and square. Okay, we use the syntax cos instead of cos d, because cos d is used for when angle is in degrees. And now enter. So left hand side is 0.8090. Now we are going to solve the right hand side. For this I'm mentioning right hand side, and this is equals to 1 minus 2 sin x, sin square x. So 2 multiplied by sin x and square. Okay, this time 2 will be multiplied by sin square x. So for this you can try one more bracket here. So it will first solve the sin square x, then multiply by 2, and 1 will be subtract after that. Now enter. That shows 0.80906. That means the left hand side is equals to right hand side, and this identity is correct. Now we are moving to part B, and this is tangent. So no need to again define the variable x is equals to pi by 10, because we have explained it in the earlier. Now the left hand side again, now this time left hand side is equals to, this is tangent of x and divided by, now bracket sin x minus 2 tangent x. So again 2 multiplied by tangent x. There is a bracket close. That means it will first solve sin x minus 2 tangent x, then divided by tangent x. Now enter. The answer is minus 0.953. Now let's check the right hand side. Right hand side is equals to 1 divided by bracket cos x minus 2, cos x minus 2, and the bracket close. Enter. The answer is same. That means both identities is proved here. Let me explain something more to you. If you don't put the bracket here, let's delete the bracket. 1 divided by cos x minus 2, and it shows the same answer, 0.9534, 0.9485. There is a difference of very less numbers, so it is nearly equal. But if you forget to use the where in the left hand side here, left hand side, and I'm just deleting this bracket here. The first left hand side is minus 0.953, enter. It shows totally different answer, 0.40. That will show your answer is not proved. That's why you need to raise a bracket here and here, and similarly one here and one here. That will easily solve your proved that questions. That's how you can solve any proved that question of trigonometric identities. And this is all for this lecture. Hope you will subscribe CADSTATION and share to your friends.